Introducing AddEvent 2.0. We've redesigned AddEvent from the ground up with a cleaner, faster, and easier to use dashboard. And with multi-calendar view, seeing all events and calendars is just a click away. Ready to make AddEvent your own? Introducing calendar and event images designed to make your landing pages pop. And the customizations don't stop there. With our upgraded no-code design templates, you can create and manage calendar landing pages, event landing pages, and embeddable widgets all in one place so they match your company's branding with custom colors, fonts, and images, making your events yours. Just click, customize, and go. In AddEvent 2.0, RSVPs are finally getting the spotlight they deserve. Easily create and edit your forms and add custom questions to gather key customer data. Head to the Email Notifications tab to set up automated emails for your RSVP events. And with our newly upgraded editor, you can adjust the email content and see how it looks in real time. 2.0 brings not only enhanced workflows and no-code designs, but also real-time analytics. Quickly see how your events and calendars are performing and gather the insights you need to prove event ROI. Plus, analytics are sprinkled into the dashboard to see subscriber and event counts at a moment's notice. AddEvent 2.0 is faster, easier, and more intuitive, making it easier than ever to ensure no important moment is missed.